Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Reality Care, and here we are with a new video. But before starting with the video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon for future updates.
Hello, my 4G brethren. Dinks, double income, no kids, yuppies, young professionals. I am Colonel Dr. Rajesh Chaudhary. In line with my series on YouTube in various real estate segments, today I am here with a very lucrative offer for you. The very happening Platinum Tower in the most happening area of Pune, that is Kharadi. And I have with me Manish Nagori, GM Sales and Marketing of Platinum Towers.
Thank you.
Welcome, Manish.
Thank you.
Welcome. I wish to ask you, from my clients, dear Manish, what is your USP?
Other than my coffee, I think the biggest USP for this project is Kharadi as the location, right? Anything about real estate, I've been doing real estate for 8 years now. Doctor, you also, Colonel Doctor, you also know everything about real estate. Location is the main thing. Now, if you look at this particular location, you're looking at about a 5-minute quick ride on a cycle or a bike or a auto rickshaw ride to the first metro station, which is the first metro station of the upcoming metro here, of the Aqua line, right? So it's Ramwadi metro station is 5 minutes away from here. The airport is about 12 minutes away. If I drive, 10 minutes away. So yeah, so it's pretty close. Location is pretty good. It's very close to the catchment area of this location is fantastic. You have upmarket neighborhoods like Kalyani Nagar, Viman Nagar, Koregaon Park in less than 10 minutes of driving distance. You also have areas like Magarpata, Hadapsar, which are known for their IT, IT crowd, etc. So it's basically, it has a good catchment. If you are an employee looking for a job and you are young, you're usually looking for companies that are based in Kharadi. So it's basically the location that's the main thing. But second is also the fact that on this road, there's no product like this. It's four floors of retail, 7 floors of commercial, 4 levels of parking. It's a fantastic product in that sense.
Being a lean consultant for my clients, I'll hit the nail on the head. What is the ROI for both the segments?
You did hit the nail on the head. No, you're right. ROI is a very important consideration in a commercial property, and in the office segment, which is basically the office spaces, we have ROI coming up right up to 8%. And in the retail segments generally are basically slightly lesser performing than the office segments. So there the ROI is usually in the 4 to 6% range. Having said that, you know how you'll get that? You'll get that here more so than other places. And in commercial, you'll actually get a good responses because commercial tenants are your long-term tenants. So your ROI, what I'm telling you, is not some creative math where I'm taking a 15 years consideration into account. I'm actually talking about the first year ROI. Which means 3 years later, there'll be an escalation, there'll be a long-term tenant, you'll have cash flows, you'll have security, all those things. Your neighbor will want to sell, you will want to buy that and take that also on rent. So it's only going to improve from here. ROI is one. Second is also upside, because this location, we've been under construction during the COVID space, the pandemic phase, right? So we've never got an opportunity to launch or to take the prices to that level, right? So today, whatever you are seeing, and it's like a rubber band. Office market is going to come back. Anything. I mean, today if you Google, you will just find out that Google, Apple, these big companies, they are buying huge office spaces in New York today. New York is actually getting revived as a tech market. That's one. Second is in Pune itself. If you see, there are large transactions happening. The largest co-working transaction that happened recently in Pune by this company called as SmartWorks. They've got a 5.6 million square feet space right now. Persistent Systems has bought a building recently. Poonawalla FinCorp has bought another building in a large transaction, and I'm talking about in the last 1.5 months. So you see, commercial market is making a big comeback. It's just when and not if.
Oh, I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. See, commercial property is a boom as long as it is leased.
Yes.
So I wish to understand that do you enable your prospective clients, and if you do, how do you do?
It's a good, it's a great observation actually. Commercial, while residential leasing is very straightforward, right? You have an apartment, you put it on Magic Bricks, 99 Acres, any of those websites, and if somebody or the other will inquire with you, you can do it without a broker. In commercial property, sometimes people find it slightly hard to, find a tenant for their shop or for their office. It's a little hard. What we have done as the Platinum Towers team is we've actually got leasing assistants in place for everyone, which means that we will actually have our leasing team source for clients. So the leasing team right now is building up a line of clients basically for the office spaces which are getting possession in a year or so, and basically they are trying to get pre-commitments for them. And second is they are working with the best of the best brands to actually get them to see how they can come in the retail space right now, which is getting possession in 2 months from now actually. So yeah, so that's basically about them. So we had them. It's leasing assistance at a small fee, but it's basically to enhance the value of the product. It's curation and not just creation.
Sure. Do you have any anchor clients?
Yes.
If you have, besides their presence, do they help the other clients as well?
So I was actually shying away from mentioning about my anchor client in my last question. Actually, one of the reasons why we are so confident about leasing, about the ROI, is also because we've got a large anchor tenant. So Reliance Smart, which is the hypermart format, they've basically taken up about 15,000 square feet of space in the project. About 20,000 square feet actually, if you see the built area, and lots of parking. They're going to be in the front of the building. So this building becomes a landmark basically with the anchor client. And that's the idea, right? The reason why the Platinum Towers team worked hard enough to actually get them to come in our project is to ensure that we get benefit for others, which is the other people in the project, which is the other retail shop owners. See, Reliance Smart will bring a specific type of clientele, a clientele which is already planning to spend about 10-20,000 when they come in here. So they'll bring their trolleys from Reliance, of course, right? Now the beauty about a trolley versus a carry bag is that the trolley always has space for one more thing. so definitely the retail space will definitely work due to Reliance. And when you're sending it, when you're even operating in an office which is based in the retail area, when you're operating in an office which is based in a building which is popular, what happens is that when you're calling, say for example, it's your office, right, in this building, you'll actually just tell everyone, if I'm coming for an interview with you, you'll just tell me, Manish, come to that building where Reliance is. It becomes a landmark. It really helps improve the value of it. So.
that's very interesting, and I'm sure my clients will take note of this very, very strong presence of Reliance here in your tower. And Manish, you're a handsome man. I
Thanks.
expect handsome discounts for my 4G brethren and the young lovebirds who are starting the new life.
So I like how you put that question, but it's the hardest thing for me to commit to right now. But having said that, what happens is that, see, I'm from Bombay, right? I'm a Lokhandwala boy like that, you know. I like to put it that way. So I love watching love stories. I love watching patriotic movies. So definitely for the 4G brethren and for the young couples, I'm more than hoping to have a conversation, and maybe for sure guaranteed discount because he's talking about it.
Thank you so much, Manish.
You're most welcome.
Well, my clients, thanks for your rapt attention. Please do get in touch with us, and the coordinates are there in the slide that follows. And I finish with this. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Subscribe now.